How to close Google Form responses. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. If you wish to stop accepting responses on your Google Form, here's what you can do. Simply open any web browser, go to search bar and type in Google Form, and you need to click on enter on your keyboard. After that, open the interface of Google Form, and you simply need to visit the Google Form that you have created and where you want to close the responses out. Here you can easily see the responses. I currently got one of the response. Now, if you wish to stop accepting responses, you simply need to visit published button at top right corner of your screen. And here you will get the option of accepting responses. Simply you need to toggle the bottom off, and now this form will no longer accept the responses. So simply click on the save button, and after that you have successfully closed Google Form responses. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.